my god, what the hell is going on with this hair? Hey there, I'm Tracy Rose, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a video with your phone. Before we get started, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. We talk about all things motherhood, marketing and mindset to help you build a dream business around your family. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm just using my iPhone to film this video. And I want to show you how you take these videos just shot at home on your phone from super dodgy to business-like so that you actually attract business to you. One of the biggest reasons people don't film is because they fear the gear. They actually just kind of fear like, am I using the right stuff? I don't have a microphone, I don't have a fancy camera, I don't have a light, I don't have the right audio. But to be honest, you don't need all that stuff to look good. So I'm gonna share with you a few different things that I'm doing that just are little tweaks for you to use for your phone. Now, just for transparency, sometimes I use a fancy camera, but you can get great quality videos if you get these 4 things right. So the 4 things are positioning your camera in the right way, then we're talking about your background, then we're talking about your lighting, and I'll go over your audio. In terms of positioning, it really depends on what platform you're going to post this video on. If we're talking YouTube, obviously we're talking about in landscape mode. You don't want to hold your phone this way, vertical, because if you record this way, you're going to end up with these black bars around your video and it's going to look weird. People don't really like it. Now, this kind of video where it's vertical is kind of different if you are playing this on Facebook or Instagram. But for YouTube, let's flick it the other way. So this way is much better if you're going to do a YouTube video. Now, when we're talking about positioning, we're also deciding how to actually hold the phone up. Okay, there's a couple of ways that I stand my phone up to record. Sometimes I'm using a little case that has a flip cover. I turn it and it sits over this mirror, and I just sit at my desk and it's kind of the right height, so it's pretty cool. Another way is you could use a ring light because they come with all the attachment that you can fit your phone in. Or you can get a simple tripod stand, one that sits on your desk, or maybe a taller one that is as tall as you. The other way I like to hold my phone up and position it right is by using one of these car suction phone holder thingies. I don't even know what they're called, but you put them in your car, you suction it to your window, and that's how you hold your phone. Well, you can position and swivel the little holder so that it's in a great way to position for filming. So you can film either in the car, or you can take that out of your car, pop it on a window just like this, and use it that way. The next step that you want to get right is a great background. Now, I know you can see my backdrop here and it's not even framed in the video, but I guess what I'm showing here is this is like a little home office studio area, and it's just a working background. Let me show you this close up and how I'd use it if I was using the background to cover the whole space. So this is kind of cool, but today I felt like the lighting was actually better this way. We'll get into lighting in a second. You can also just use a blank wall. Let's try that. Ta-da! It doesn't even really matter about the background. I just don't want to have maybe bins in the background or my kitchen sink, or if I'm out and about filming, I don't want to have a toilet in the background, like a toilet door or anything like that. So just think about framing your shot so that it has an aesthetically pleasing background. Maybe that something's not standing out too much, taking the attention away from you who's giving away great information in your video. Okay, let's talk about lighting. To be honest, I would have shot this just using natural light today, but right now the sun is in a really weird position and it's making me look really terrible. I prefer to shoot in the morning or later in the afternoon. So when I'm finding what I've got now, it's earlier afternoon, the light is just doing some really weird things. If you're outside, I suggest you go under a bit of shade, because then you're actually able to open your eyes, look at the camera properly, instead of when you're in harsh sunlight, you're like, and you can't really see your face. People love to see your eyes and your facial expressions. Get a deeper connection that way. And the last step is having good audio. Now, I'm probably gonna get criticized for not using any type of microphone right now. The thing is, I did buy one of those little Rode lapel mics, which is a little microphone that just clicks into your phone, and it's this cord, and you can just clip it onto your clothing, and the sound quality is great. But the thing is, I lost it. Is that gonna make me stop doing videos? Oh, you could also just get your little earbuds that you've got that have a little microphone on it. You can put these in your ear, or you could have it hanging down and this just clip to your clothing. That's like a little hack. Sometimes I'm filming near the beach and it's a little bit windy. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. But unless you're getting two videos side by side and comparing the audio and going, oh yeah, that's really not as good, like that microphone's heaps better, you don't do that anyway. So unless the audio is really bad, hard to hear, wind blowing, you're in a really echoey space that's screeching on the ears, I probably wouldn't bother. Like, it doesn't matter that much. Again, I will link below some options for different microphones, but don't let that stop you if you don't have a microphone. I'm not filming this with a microphone. Is it as good as some of the videos with a microphone? No, but do you really care? Or is it only because I mentioned it? Only someone who's maybe doing YouTube videos all the time, or someone who's into audio stuff is going to care. Most people don't care. So I hope this video has helped you learn how to make a video that you can put on YouTube or anywhere else just using your phone. In my opinion, I just think technology is going to improve camera phones so much in the future. You need to just start where you can. So many people say it. Like, think about the top YouTubers. I've watched their videos and they talk about how they spend all this crazy amount of money, thousands and thousands of dollars in equipment, and then they sit there and make a video and cry about why they don't have any subscribers, why do they don't have people commenting on the videos. And it's probably because they spent too much of their focus on the equipment and the gear than on the actual content, or learning how to market the videos or rank the videos. That's more important stuff. Now, I do dive deeper into how to make videos on YouTube on a budget. So I'll link that video up in the corner here to that video if you want to go have a look at that. And let me know in the comments below, what is the niche or what is the topics you're doing your videos on? I'd love to know. Are you watching this because you're a beauty blogger? Are you watching this because you're doing affiliate marketing or network marketing or health and wellness products? Or are you a graphic designer? What are you making your videos on? Thanks for joining me in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.